Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do my recap for the day. I traded Apple earlier, and I traded this as a reversal. It was a double top. I saw that at this particular time that I took the reversal, the SPY on the 5-minute chart threw up a really nice shooting star, and looked like it was gonna pull back. So I was watching Tesla, and it made a really nice double top, and it was actually looking like a mountain pass. So I tried to go short, and my order was not filled because it was on short selling restriction, and it just went down so fast that my order was not filled. So once my order wasn't filled, I looked at Apple really quick to see if it was doing the same kind of thing because it usually is affected by the SPY. So sure enough, I saw that Apple was putting up a double top, and it had a 15-minute doji, as you can see right here. And when it made a new 5-minute low, and it was losing these moving averages, as you all have heard me talk about, the 9 and the 20 started heading down, crossing over. I went short. My first partial was taken at the 9 moving average on the 5-minute chart. I took a partial at VWAP. And then when it made a new 5-minute high, I partialed again, and 15-minute high, I partialed all of my position except for 10%. I thought possibly it was going to come up and test this 50 moving average and maybe head back down through the VWAP, and it did not. So it ended up pushing up through that moving average, and that was, I exited the rest of my position. That was my Apple trade. And remember how I talked about the Tesla double top, that I didn't get a fill. It was right here. I tried to go short at this level, and my order was not filled right before this really nice bear candle on the 1 minute. But a little later in the day, I took a quick little short on the pullback after it made a double top on the 5-minute chart. This is not the perfect setup. I noticed it did make a double top on the 5-minute. However, I would have rather have seen a shooting star, some kind of shooting star on the 15-minute and on the 5-minute to try to push up through that level again, and it did not. But I took it anyways as a bit of a scalp, maybe because I couldn't get my fill earlier. I still felt like I wanted to get a little bit of a trade on Tesla in. I didn't even make one-to-one risk to reward on this because as I've told you before, I give Tesla a lot of room. So my risk was above, above the previous 5-minute candle. And I took a really quick partial at this, at a previous daily level, and then another, which was also around the 9-minute or the 9 moving average on the 5-minute, and then the 20 moving average on the 5-minute. I took another partial, and then it came back and stopped me out at break even. But that was it. Those were my trades for the day. I hope you all had a great day, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.